Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Instagram profile QR code. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, you will see several options. Look for the Share Profile button and tap on it. Now, your unique Instagram profile QR code will appear on your screen. You can save it, share it with friends, or scan it using another device. And this is how you can get your Instagram profile QR code. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.